Guys, good morning. Sorry, it's good afternoon. It's already 12:20 in New York, March 21st, and my usual suspects today for trading SPY, Tesla, Google, Amazon, Apple. Those are on my watch list so far, and let's see if we can make some money today. The goal is to make $500, but if the market gives a very good move, then we're going to keep it. Otherwise, we're going to stop it. We're going to take our money and we're going to run. Basically, that's the goal. And so far, SPY is looking very good to me. And the option which I'm picking right now is March 21st option. Strike price is 397. Sorry, 397. So let's see, every click I'm clicking and buying like 5 call options, and every time I'm selling it, everything, not like a partially or something. Only sometime when I do that, like half of it, when it's like going against me, that's the time. So let's just see. So far S&P 500 is looking good to me, and looks like it came down at the same time. It came down, and right now it's in the middle, basically deciding which side to go. But at the same time, let's see my mirror is showing some strength as well. Don't see any big type of orders right now, but yes, let's just jump in because that was a confirmation so far for me. Okay, I'm just buying right now, and holding. Just bought 10. Just bought 10 so far. 10 position holding. Okay, buying more. Looks like it wants to come up. Holding 20 positions. You'll see the positions right over here, and you'll see the money right over here. You'll see the losses and gains right over here. The final total, whatever the money is like made, profit and loss right over here. So far, it's kind of going down, but not worried about it because I'm just holding 20 options so far. 20 options so far, so at 57 cents as well, so it did not cost that much of money as well. So let's just watching it, kind of going down right now, but so if I'm keeping my mouth shut, that means I'm just watching it, guys, just to let you guys know, I'm not just watching it. Looks like it wants to go up right now. I'm loading up. I'm holding 40 options right now. 40 options on SPY. Okay, there you go. So up, up, up. Okay. Or sold $120 up on SPY since I was testing the I have tested this Tesla today, so losing 25 cents but $120 up so far, but total profit is like 95. Okay, so let's just check. Watching it. Let me just brighten up my screen a little bit. Okay, so right now I'm not holding anything, so let's just watch. And I'm watching the time. It's like almost like 46 seconds so far, 50 seconds, and it's like coming down, so I'm not going to buy it. I'm not going to buy it because it came down. And let's see how this candlestick is forming up so far. And okay, it is coming, it is kind of like moving up. but I want it to come down a little bit. Okay, that is kind of strength. I'm buying 5 options more, or buying more, buying the dip, basically buying the dips, holding 15, buying the dips, 20 options, holding, buying the dips, buying it, 30 options, kind of going down, but buy the dips. Okay, 35, 40, holding 40 positions right now in SPY. If this can turn into a red also, but I'm pretty much sure it is wants to move up, because there you go, it has just moved up, and okay, there you go, it's showing good strength. I don't want to increase my position size at this moment in time, because I think this is a very good position size so far. Okay, unless if I see it wants to move up. So basically that is like a supply right over there, and okay, there you go. So right now I'm going to move some position up. So because the supply looks like wants to move up, at the same time the candlestick is about to close. Holding 60 options, sold, and I'm up $510, guys. Less than 5 minutes of trading, I'm now up $510. The goal was to make $500, but I have already passed my mark. I don't know whether I should trade or not, but this is how the trading has been done. Basically, this is high frequency trade. Very quickly, within like 50 cents to like 20 cents move, I'm done with my trading. I don't want to chase the market, but this is very, very cool. Holding only 40 to 50 or to like 60, just to, when I see it will going to move up, that's the reason I increased my share size. Otherwise, no, I would have not did it. At this point, I said like this was a supply over here, but that supply has been taken out so far. So when I saw that supply will going to take out, because based on the timing and everything, so that's the reason I bought it and I sold it right over here on top. So yes, and now it has been retesting that supply. It's going to become a support right over there. And it should take off, or let's see, it might come down also, because a lot of time these people are very, very tricky. What I mean, they know very well. Some people will going to have their stops right over there on top, whoever like shorting and all. So that can be, they can kick those people out and bring them down, something like that, like a lot of time I don't like to put my stops in because of that reason, because they have, like today's market, they have like a software who's like constantly looking for the stops, and a lot of time this is what happens when you guys put your stops below that, it will going to get you out of the market and it will going to go off. So that software is very, very smart, no doubt about it. So a lot of time that's what happens. So my stop is my fingers basically, and I know them very well. They work very fast for me. So okay guys, so this is exactly what I mean. This is a chart shop. Basically yesterday's video, I'm just trying to cover up something. I said like what is a spread, right? You guys, just to let you guys know, this is a SPY and this is a chart shop broker, and there are expression on the spread. They had like 60 days, 120 days, all something on how closer they are. Okay, this is expiring today, March 21st, and this is the most of the time I'm trading this one or this one, or one day. Okay, whatever, I have the best options. So these are the spreads basically, and this is like this is called in the money, out of the money, at the money. This is at the money. This is in the money. Has more value, more expensive too. Out of the money, less expensive. Okay, so that's how it is. So now, okay, this one looks more in the money, out of the money, at the money. These are calls. Over here there are puts. It's the same thing for the puts. These are the one who are in the money. This is out of the money. Out of the money is always cheaper, but they are the one who will going to liquidate very very fast, like melting like ice. That's what I mean. Those are the one who going to get melt like ice very very fast. If they goes against you, you're done. So most of the time I'm buying at the money. At the money. So have you seen this? This is what I mean, the spread. 64 cents to 65 cents. This doesn't even have any this spread over here. When you're buying it, you're probably going to buy it over here, and you're selling it at this price. So this is what I mean. At the same time for the put, the same. It doesn't have that much of what do you call it? There's no big buying and selling. There's no like this very 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 no leverage basically. Some of the broker, check your broker basically. If it's 65 to 64, some brokers they might have like a 5 cents difference, like Robinhood and all. I have seen it. They have like a 5 cent difference. So most of the time, if the bid price is 64 on Robinhood, and the ask price will be 70 or like 68 or 69, that's how the broker is making money. That's how the broker is making money. So and the broker is free, nothing is free, so that's how he's making money. And they say like they don't charge you, yeah, but they charge you that in between there's a spread basically. So that is the spread. That's how they are making money in between of that spread. So this broker is not charging anything. No, this broker is charging for you, no doubt, but per option, I think per option is like 65 cents per option. Okay, but this broker doesn't allow me to trade on the keyboard. They do have another software which they do allow you to work on the keyboard, but I still prefer Lightspeed, so I still prefer Lightspeed and all. So yes, because Lightspeed is like I said, this can be considered still like a Corvette, no doubt. Okay, and Lightspeed is like really Lamborghini and Bugatti Chevron. That's what I can say. Lightspeed is like a Bugatti Chevron. Okay, yeah, this can be considered as Corvette a little bit here and there, up and down, no doubt. But yeah, so this is what it is. And most of the time you see these are the one who are like traded the most. If you seen the volume over here for those options, it's huge. So already people has like traded this option like already like almost a million. So no, 200,000, yes, already no, not million, sorry, 200,000 options have been traded in and out. So yes, these are the one who going to move very fast and will going to melt up very fast as well, because they are expiring today. So the delta is the one who's like killing everything. The delta is like something goes like this and drop like this very very quickly, like this, like straight line dropping like this. And when this stock goes against you, that is the time the delta is killing you also. So that's the reason I'm like buying it and selling it very very quickly. I don't even wait for it. That small move makes me money. That small move, I'm not waiting for this option to go 100, 200, 300. I can wait for that, but I'm not sure there's someone, a big whale can come in and wipe up your whole profit. So it's better to move out, take out small amount of money and run basically. That's what I can say. So today's anyway, I have already passed my $500 mark, and somehow that recording has stopped. And so anyway, so you guys gonna see that part, but I just want to show you this part, what I mean. The good broker doesn't have this much of doesn't have like big leverage. The spread are very tight. This is a very tight spread. Okay, so this is what you need to check most of the time. So yes guys, please be careful. If you're trading, be careful with your money. Trading is risky. This video is made for education purpose only. I don't guarantee that you will going to make money. My results are a little bit typical, and please, if you like whatever I showed you, please let me know. Okay, and please share with your friends, and thank you for subscribing and liking my video. Share with your friends, and please be careful. And there's always a next day. If you lose money, that's fine, but there's always a next day. You should have some of your, what do you call it, skills in managing your money, which is very important too. Okay, money management is very important again. So please check your money management skills, how they are. Like some people get really into trading, and if they lose money, then they have a goal to bring that money back, and then they lose more and more. End of the day, they came to know they lost $10,000. Okay, and I'm saying that because it happened to me. It can happen to you as well. Okay, so that's the reason I'm just saying that. That's always a next day. If you lost money, that's fine. There's nothing wrong. Everybody lose money, but if you know how to trade, which is more important, it's like the car again. If you know how to drive, it is more better for you to trade. If you don't know how to drive, you should always paper trade. That's what I can say. Paper trade these things, and once you get your skills up, that's the time you should use your real money. So anyway, I'm not a financial advisor or a broker. Please consult to your own brokers and financial advisors before you take any type of a trade. Okay, this video is made for education purpose only. Please, whatever I say in this video is my suggestions. You don't need to take them. Okay, this is how I do it. You guys saw how I am doing it and how I'm making money. So yes, please like my video, subscribe, and I'm going to close this video. Guys, peace and blessing. Bye. Thank you for watching it.